Hello everybody, how are we all today? Who fancies Vietnamese po? Hopefully that's going to be delicious, ain't it? Sounds nice, doesn't it? Who fancies a Vietnamese po, which is simple to make? Who fancies a Vietnamese po, which is this? £2.49 from Aldi. Vietnamese po kit. Poached to plate in 15 minutes. Let's open it up and let's have a look. Okay, this is everything I have got for mine. I got myself some thin cut beef slices from Aldi. I just cut them thin, nice and simple. A few spring onions for the garnish. Some bean sprouts, and then we got the Vietnamese po kit. Neem Viet, is that what it? Nem Viet, something like that, however you say it. Vietnamese made simple. Recipe on reverse. Kit includes rice noodles, spice and herb sachet, black soybean sauce, and Vietnamese chili sauce. Poached to plate in 15 minutes. Simply add beans, sprouts, meat, fish or vegetables. There we go. To make a perfect po, you will need blah, yes, in that's what you need. So basically, open the sachet, open the herb and spice bag, place the infused sachet in a pan of boiling water, turn down the heat and simmer for 3 minutes. Next, place the noodles in another pan and pour in boiling water. Add the beef or vegetable one if you're making a vegetable one with your tofu. Remove the herb and spice sachet from the pan. Squeeze with a spoon like you do with a tea bag against the edge. And then discard that, and that's your soup mix. Drain the noodles and the cooked beef, place in the individual serving bowls, ladle the herb soup over the noodles, top with bean sprouts. What could go wrong, eh? Famous last words. There is the ingredients, I don't know if you can see that properly. And the nutrition. Right, let's get it open. That was in the special buys, by the way. I did do a spring roll one as well that goes with it, which accompanies it, but I didn't have any of them in stock. They only had these, so I was going to get them both, but I didn't have it, so we're just doing this one. They might have the spring roll one where you are. Right, there's my noodles, nice and simple. Sachets, which sachet is that? That's the spice and herb mix. There's your black bean sauces and your chili sauce, depending which one you want, or both. Is there anything else? No, that's it. So that's all that's in there, nice and simple. Right, first thing I'm going to do then, before we do then, you say you can just put that in the bowl of hot water and cook it. I just want to give them a quick fry first, just to get that bit of colour on. So we'll fry them up. Okay guys, pan's hot. I'm just going to get a bit of oil in for my beef. I'm going to salt my beef. Put a bit of salt on there. And that's how we're going to fry these up. Just I only want to give them a colour, that's all. So nothing too special, probably about a minute. And while they're frying up, I'm going to get the kettle on for some hot water. Okay, that beef's done. I'm going to turn that off. We're going to add the noodles. Because I might as well, instead of getting another pan, we can use all that there. Let that flavour off the beef. With your noodles and your hot water. And I can just sit there for until the soup mix is done, can't it? And in there. Hot water. Don't forget that is going to be drained anyway. Nice and simple. We will put the lid on there and we will swap the pans over. 700 ml of water. This is this sachet mix here. Let's have a look. Infused sachet. Like a tea bag, I suppose. Yes. There it is. Oh. Oh, that, you know that. I'm sure that smells a bit like aniseed to me. Or it smelled it before. No, a bit like you know the herbal sweets you get when you got a cold and that. A bit like that. Right, that can go in there. I think does it say boil and then simmer? I think it does. No, simmer. Just simmer it for 3 minutes until it's all infused. And we just got to wait now until that's infused and then serve up. How easy is that? Okay, everything's done. That's it. Didn't take long. First things first is we will get your beef and your noodles and we'll drain them out. There's them. Then we will turn that off. Oh, that smells nice, to be honest with you. Get myself a spoon. Do like we do with a tea bag. Oh, that smells really nice. It does. I haven't got me light there, guys. I do apologise. There we go. I want to get all that flavour, don't we? There you go, and there's your broth. We'll discard this, and now we will dish up. So now we'll do noodles and beef in each bowl. There's some beef in there. And some noodles in that one. Says it serves 4. And I think it probably would. And now we'll get a ladle full of broth in there. 2 ladlefuls maybe. It does smell nice. I don't know if it'd fill us up. Top with bean sprouts. A few of them in. And I'm going to put a bit of green on the top. And then you got your sauces. I'm not sure whether Nat like these sauces, so I'll put some in mine and I'll leave hers and she can have a bit if she needs some. Soybean. Like so. It says just to your taste with the sauces, so. And the Vietnamese chilli. There we go then. Nice and simple. Po. Vietnamese style. Right, let's get on the table and let's have a go. So, there we go. That's already having a go reverse. You can't see that, can you? Let me show you down here. There it is. 15-minute po. Didn't even take 15 minutes, to be honest with you. There's no sauce in yours, Bab. That one's Vietnamese sweet chilli.
Which one?
That.
The one at the back?
Yeah, and that one's
I don't like that one.
soybean.
I don't like
So that's why I never put you any on. As you can put some in yourself and see how you feel. You might be better putting it in your sauce, sweetheart. No?
No.
Didn't think about it.
No. It's not going to tip out.
Let's give that a stir.
So I've just done to mine. Look at the noodles.
You like the noodles?
Noodles are nice.
Let's have a go. It's all about the broth, isn't it, to be honest with you?
I can't decide what it tastes like. I can't make my mind up.
I'll do this broth. Not that light's in my way. Oh, I like that.
You do?
Don't you like that?
It's nice.
So you're pulling a little bit of a face.
It's nice, but...
Oh, I like that. Reminds me of... herbal sweets, when you got a cold. What's them herbal sweets called?
Yeah, I know which ones you mean.
That's what it sort of tastes like, doesn't it? Yeah. And I like that sort of stuff anyway. A bit like aniseed, but it's not the aniseed, it's like, I don't know what they're called.
Licorice.
No, not licorice. Ooh. Like the herbal. You get in a clear bag, I can't remember what they're called. Them things.
Herbal tablets.
Huh?
Herbal tablets.
Maybe have them when you're in the cold. They're called herbal tablets, what they're called. Then, that's what that reminds me of. Try a bit of the beef. I quite like that. I've never had a Vietnamese before, I quite like that. Haven't you? No, you don't really. You're in two minds, ain't you?
I'm not sure. It's not horrible, but it's not. I'm not sure.
It's not as good as that Wagamama. Wagaman, whatever it's called. What's it called? Wagaman. Wagamam. That I've done before. That was really nice. You really like that one, didn't you?
I really enjoyed that one. No, it's not as good as that.
It's not as good as that, is it?
No.
But it's still quite nice.
It's a very light dinner, isn't it?
I said this ain't going to fill us up, is it? Not in a million years. But yeah, I quite like that. Bean sprouts. Should have cooked them with the with the beef. $2.49 and your beef, or I quite like it. It's not as good as that Wagaman, whatever it's called. The one in the black packet. I've done a video on, because that was delicious. What would I mark it? Oh, sorry, bad. It took no time at all to do. Didn't really do anything. I'll probably give it a 7. What do you think? You're probably going to do a bit less than that, ain't you, darling?
I'm going to go 5.
You're going to go...
A 5.
You're going to go a 5.
Yeah.
That's going a 5. I'm going to go a 7. Yeah, let me know if you've had it, what you think. I've had better.
Yeah.
That's probably why I'm marking it a bit lower. I have had better. We've had better, haven't we?
Yeah, we have had
better. So, that's what I'm going off. I've never had like a Vietnamese one of these before. So I wouldn't really know what it's supposed to taste like anyway. But for me, I do like the broth-ish. I could do a bit more powerful, but you could also, I suppose you could always leave that tea bag thing in a bit longer, couldn't you? To get more infusion. But I say £2.49p, and I do the spring roll one as well. That's my opinion. That's Nat's opinion. 7 from me, 5 from Nat. So Nat's is just average, isn't it?
Yeah. 5,
and mine's just above. Like, okay. So anyway, till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.